This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Hunter Krim. New construction home in a new up-and-coming neighborhood in Lynden. 4 bedrooms, 2.25 bathrooms, and 2,090 square feet. Open floor plan, kitchen with large island, pantry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and vaulted ceilings. Living room features a great gas fireplace with shiplap all the way up to the vaulted ceiling. Master bedroom on main floor with large walk-in closet and large master bathroom with tiled shower. Remaining bedrooms are upstairs, and bedroom over the master could serve as a bonus room. Don't forget there are solar panels to help you out on that electric bill. For more information, review the details below or contact Hunter Krim at 360-734-7500.